Hello, sweet tooth enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat that's not only delicious but also packed with history and tradition. Join me as we unravel the mysteries behind Greek sesame and honey bars. Get ready for unknown facts that will leave you craving for more. This delectable treat, also known as pasteli, has been captivating taste buds for centuries. Made with just two simple ingredients, sesame seeds and honey, it's a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Sesame seeds are rich in nutrients like iron, magnesium, and calcium. Honey, a natural sweetener, adds antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they create a snack that's not just tasty but also good for you. The sesame seeds are toasted to perfection before being mixed with golden honey. The mixture is then pressed into molds and left to cool, resulting in those irresistible bars we love. Different regions in Greece have their own unique twists on pasteli. Some include additional ingredients like nuts or dried fruits. This diversity showcases the versatility of this ancient treat. It's a popular gift during weddings and celebrations, symbolizing sweetness and a fruitful life. Apart from being a standalone snack, pasteli is also used in various Greek desserts. Imagine a pasteli-flavored ice cream or a pasteli-inspired cake. The possibilities are endless. Sesame seeds are known to promote heart health, and honey has antimicrobial properties. Together, they make pasteli a tasty and wholesome snack for those looking for a guilt-free treat. Its cultural significance has made it a staple during religious ceremonies. While rooted in Greek tradition, pasteli has gained popularity worldwide. You can now find variations of this delightful treat in many countries, each putting its own spin on the classic recipe. Many artisans take pride in creating handmade pasteli. The traditional methods are often passed down through generations, preserving the authenticity of this ancient treat. Chefs and food enthusiasts around the world have experimented with pasteli. From pasteli-inspired cocktails to gourmet pasteli dishes, the modern culinary world is embracing this timeless delight. Pasteli is not just a year-round treat, it also plays a special role during certain festivals and holidays. Its appearance on festive tables adds a touch of tradition to the celebrations. Making pasteli at home is not only fun but also surprisingly easy. You can experiment with your own variations, adding a personal touch to this ancient recipe. Pasteli's combination of sesame and honey provides a quick and sustained energy boost. No wonder it was a favorite among ancient Greek athletes preparing for the Olympic Games. Sharing pasteli is a symbol of friendship and hospitality in Greek culture. Offering it to guests is a gesture of warmth and goodwill. In traditional Greek medicine, pasteli was believed to have healing properties. It was often recommended as a remedy for various ailments, showcasing the ancient wisdom of its creators. Packaged in various convenient forms, from traditional wax paper to modern resealable pouches, pasteli is an easy, on-the-go snack. Pasteli is not just a snack, it's a hidden culinary gem. Its simplicity and rich history make it a fascinating addition to any food enthusiast's repertoire. The ingredients used in pasteli are environmentally friendly, promoting sustainable agriculture. By enjoying this treat, you're not just savoring its flavor but also contributing to a more sustainable food culture. Nutrient-rich, pasteli combines sesame seeds and honey, offering a nutrient-rich snack with essential minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Energy boost. The natural sugars in honey and the protein in sesame seeds provide a quick and sustained energy boost, making pasteli an ideal snack for an active lifestyle. Antioxidant properties. Honey, a key ingredient in pasteli, contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and support overall well-being. Simple ingredients. With only 2 ingredients, pasteli is a wholesome treat without additives or preservatives, making it a healthier alternative to many processed snacks. Guilt-free indulgence. Pasteli's combination of natural sweetness and nutritional benefits makes it a guilt-free indulgence for those with a sweet tooth. There you have it, unknown facts about Greek sesame and honey bars. From its ancient roots to its modern popularity, pasteli is truly a treasure trove of culture, flavor, and tradition. If you've tried it, let us know your favorite way to enjoy pasteli in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious journeys through food history. Until next time, keep snacking and stay sweet. Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.